we did midbrain activation for Shiv Krishna and Tejas.
Yes.
And we did for you and sir also did. Just
Yeah.
share what are the benefits you saw after the midbrain activation.
Yeah, I would say the emotional was being controlled, and whatever we wrote in the goals, that is getting fulfilled actually. Yeah, my husband wanted to do this IAM and he wanted to get into MBA. That both happened. He's got admission for both at a time.
Very good.
At a
and
time.
it's been, how long is it?
3-4 years he's been trying, but we couldn't get into it, and he got admission in IAM MBA, and he's doing simultaneously in Pondicherry University MBA also. So 2 MBAs he's doing. And apart from that, his goal was to do an overseas job. That also we got. Yeah, he got a job in Malaysia.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
ma'am. I was not aware.
Yeah, thank you. So all the goals being fulfilled. So I think it's magical power, or I don't know what to say, but we are so blessed to have been in this great brains. And regarding myself also, I'm getting a lot of patience.
Okay.
And to take care of the kids, and the decision making is very clear nowadays. After taking the decision, the next day we thought that yes, we have done it very rightly. So the decision making is very clear for us. Instead, we will be whether we have done it right or wrong, we don't know. But we have taken the decision. It is for right thing. So that decision making is very clear. No.
Very good, very good.
And
just share what is the difference you saw in Shiv earlier and now?
Yeah, earlier he was like he was on his own life, and he was a bit lazy also. But now he's very responsible. He's the first person to finish homework in class, and teacher has told him that he is a living example in the class.
Wow, good.
So he is very proud, he is very happy. He could able to think what homework is, I have to be the first one to finish. And academics also, he is doing well when compared to earlier.
Okay.
So this Great Brains has given us a lot of good things, happiness and compassion, kindness, what else?
This is all you are seeing after midbrain activation.
Midbrain activation, he's very responsible.
Okay. Can you share 2 words about this DMIT now? What we took DMIT.
DMIT also initially because he's into 9th standard, we're just confused about what to take for 11th. Yeah, for 11th, whether to put him in physics or chemistry or maths. But in nothing we were very clear about commerce. So anyways, we were very undoubtful, and after taking this DMIT test, we knew what it is.
Okay.
So we are going on that track only. We are not taking physics, chemistry, what it comes to commerce, and this public affairs was, he's got nice stars in that in DMIT. So we will go with that only. So that helped a lot, DMIT, no confusion.
Yes.
We are going in that track only, no turning back.
So far you are clear with career?
Yes,
And we are
career.
happy with the studies?
Yes, I'm very
Thank you very much. So we do adult midbrain activation, we do brain trainings for children.
Yeah, we are great brain family. No.
We all are great brains family.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.